We are at the Faculty of Design at the Academy of Fine Arts in Warsaw, where we are currently running an international workshop called Carousel,
bringing together students from 7 different countries and coming here as a blended intensive program provided by Erasmus+. And this year's workshop was entitled Designing Futures. So we're here basically to talk about future. We've invited specialists from the field of foresight. We've introduced students into the field of speculative design, of learning how to build future narratives and how to respond with design to the challenges they entail.
We're going to spend the rest of our lives in the future, and this is why we need to incorporate futures thinking, futures literacy and foresight into curricula and into education.
Our students, they had to work and focus on the 25 years perspective, so it was 2050. So it will be a time when they will be active professionally, maybe as designers, maybe not. So I think it's crucial nowadays, especially to be one step ahead, so to think about it already during their studies.
As designers, we're basically dealing with the future, and we're good at making things up and placing them in a credible way in a version of tomorrow. Like, in other words, in order to make your projects real, somebody needs to believe in it.
And so we asked them to predict the possible scenario, how their careers were shaped, and also maybe what was the breakthrough in their career, maybe some product, maybe some service design. And the point is that they will be presenting this product, maybe this design to the audience, explaining what their studio is about.
If the objects that are being designed and then marketed do not take into the account the shifts, the evolutions in strategic context, in strategic environment, if they are not designed and created being mindful, being aware of significant shifts that may happen in the social, technological, economic context, they will become obsolete sooner than later.
They were looking for different ways of limiting access to information, or maybe even resigning from the digital world at all. So I think it was interesting to see that sometimes, they prefer to come back to some, more simple pre-electric ideas than to think how to use all the technological future possibilities.
So one part is I see a lot of anxiety towards things that they may be overwhelmed with, but on the other hand, is a huge kind of wish to bring positive change.